Ready to mix like a pro? Let's get over 8 steps to set you up for success. Step 1. Create a new session. Step 2. Set up 7 auxiliary tracks and 1 master track. Step 3. Use a different color for the final bass. Step 4. Name the basses for groups like kick, drums, bass, music, vocals, and effects. The final bass will be your mix bass, or the bass for the entire mix. Step 5. Select inputs for each bass and name them accordingly. Step 6. Route all 6 bass outputs to the mix bass input. Step 7. Insert your favorite VU meter and loudness meter on the master fader. Step 8. Save this as a mix template to speed up your workflow. Follow these steps to save hours in the studio. That's it. If you want to improve your mixes and masters in less than 10 minutes, go ahead and download your cheat sheet. I'm Adrian Milea, and until next time, stay cool and make great music.